welcome back to my channel. Okay, now I'll be making one of my famous Oreo milkshakes. Okay, let's see here. So, well, the ingredients are milk, as you can see here, milk, fresh milk, well, a filter cup, well, and some dark fantasies I would like to call amazing, and my Amul fresh vanilla ice cream, some fresh Oreos, as you can see, and a mixer. Let's start the process. So first, you gotta add the ice cream. So let me just remove this. Yeah, and then I would like to get my spoon here. Here. And I'm just gonna take out some awesome vanilla ice cream. Just a bit more, then it'll be good and smooth. I kind of need a helping hand here. Would you? Well, thank you. You're good. Okay, just put it in here. Okay, just a bit more, please. Okay, yeah, that's all. Thank you. You can get back to recording. Okay, now that I've put the ice cream in the mixer, I'm just gonna put my milk here. So, first let me do my Oreos. Just gonna take this out. Just gonna take scissors. Give me a sec. I usually add four Oreos to my milkshake. Yeah, I'm just gonna add 2 Oreos here. 1, 2, and just one more. 2 more actually. Actually, I just have one more. Yeah. Okay, now that you've seen my Oreos here, you're just gonna put some dark fantasy so that the crunchiness and the flavor comes in. One big nice dark fantasy in the middle. Okay, now it's time to add the milk. I'm just gonna take this filter paper and just gonna put it. Should fill up everything. There should be nothing left behind. Yep, that's all we need. And now that we have finished everything, I just need to get the lid. Just give me a second. Yep, and got the lid over here. And now we just have to put it here. And now we'll begin the process. Hello. We're just gonna put it here. And we're gonna put this on. And we're gonna get that little thing in the middle. Yep, here. And now it's gonna be a bit loud, so cover your ears. like this for like 30 seconds, and yeah, be ready. And what do we have here? We have fresh Oreo milkshake, very fresh from Fresh Amul ice cream. Now let me just get my jar. Let me just get it here, this one, and I'm gonna fill it up with fresh Oreo milkshake, fresh seasoning, fresh everything. Yep, and now that you've seen the fresh ones, just get a nice straw. Oh, sorry, wrong direction. Okay, yeah, and fresh Oreo milkshake from the mixer. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching.